You want to make sure your eye is level with the line of it. I just poured too much. I poured too much. What should I do? Hi, I'm Sammy Skelly with America's Test Kitchen Kids. I'm 12 years old, and we're going to be learning how to measure liquid ingredients by making a New York chocolate egg cream. Follow ATK Kids on social media. When measuring liquid ingredients, we have to measure accurately. One time I was making a pasta recipe and I didn't measure accurately the flour, and I had to go back and take it out. So it was very annoying. So we have to make sure we measure accurately. Now we're gonna start measuring. You're gonna have to measure seltzer and milk with a liquid measurer, but let's start by measuring the chocolate syrup. We're using U-Bet chocolate syrup because this is the traditional one used for the New York chocolate egg cream, but you can use any different kind. You wanna measure 2 tablespoons of this right into a glass or a cup. Make sure that you're filling it all the way up to the top of the measuring so that you get all of the chocolate in. And don't forget that you have to put 2. We're gonna be adding 1/3 cup of whole milk. So we're gonna use this liquid measuring cup, and you wanna pour your whole milk in, and it's important to squat down so you can see how much you get in so that your eye is level with the line of the 1/3 cup. Then you want to pour it right on top of your chocolate sauce. And then you want to mix it up really well so that it's just a chocolate milk and there are no more streaks of chocolate in it. So now let's measure our seltzer. You want to put it up to the 2/3 cup line. This is the meniscus line. You want to squat down so that your eye is even with the line so that you get the perfect amount. Perfect. Once you have that, you want to pour it into your chocolate milk mixture, and you can stir it this time with a pretzel rod. And then the bubbles are going to start forming at the top, and you want to serve it right after you mix it. This way it will taste the best. Tastes very good, and if you bite the pretzel, you get a very nice salty and sweet together. So that's how you make a New York chocolate egg cream. I'm Sammy Skelly. Today we learned how to measure liquid ingredients. Thank you for watching. Bye. Dang it, Mom, it's falling out. If you like this recipe, try following America's Test Kitchen Kids on social media. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Are you chocolate egg creamed out? I feel like you've had 3 glasses in a row now, right?
Yeah, but it tastes really good, so it's good.